How to log into Instagram without a verification code. In this tutorial, I'll show you the available ways to recover access to your account. First, open the Instagram app and enter your username or email address. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password. Enter your username, email address, or phone number, then tap Continue. Instagram will show you available options to verify your identity. You may be able to receive a verification code by email, SMS, or WhatsApp, depending on the recovery options available on your account. If you don't have access to those options, tap Try Another Way and follow the recovery instructions provided by Instagram. If your Instagram account is linked to Facebook, you may also be able to log in through Facebook. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account on your device, then return to Instagram and check if the Facebook login option is available. Keep in mind that there is no legitimate way to bypass Instagram's verification system. You need to use one of the recovery methods available for your account. Once you've successfully verified your identity, follow the instructions to reset your password and log back into Instagram. And that's it. These steps should help you recover access to your Instagram account when you're not receiving a verification code. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Instagram tips and account recovery tutorials.